Use bulk offset dates to move your assignment dates from a past course to a future course. To do this, go into your class, hit Course Admin, and then select Manage Dates. In the Manage Dates tool, you will see everything in your class that has a date. So these can be assignments, they can be quizzes, they can be grade items and calendar events. I suggest that you filter for specific tools to make it much easier to put dates to assignments. So on specific tools, click Assignments and Apply Filter. Now, only your assignments will show up here. You can see that I have 3 assignments that are due in a course that began February 1st. So I have due dates on the 3rd, the 10th, and the 17th, the first 3 weeks of the course. The start date of the course is February 1st, and then I have an end date 4 days after the assignment is due. So if I want to move these from this spring term to next fall, I click on the assignments that I want to date, click Bulk Offset Dates, click Calculate Range Between 2 Dates. Put the first day of the previous term in the From section. Put the first date of the future term in the To section. And then click Save. Now, see the date September 8th, and all of the start dates are September 6th. And then the end date for this assignment is 4 days after the due date. And these are the first 3 Wednesdays of the term. And that's how to use bulk offset dates to move dates from a previous term to a future term. Always reach out to us at C&M Online if you need any help.